Social media is not going anywhere. According to new surveys and reports, almost 42% of the world's population have at least one social media account. In the near future, there are going to be more platforms to connect people with same and have common interests, whether they are neighbors, entrepreneurs, shoppers, parents or teenagers. Adverse effects of social media have also been seen during the past years. Despite all of this, we have the top 10 predictions for the future of social media. 10th, social media storytelling.
The social media storytelling is done to engage more audiences into their content. The social media enthusiasts are going to meet core techniques of storytelling in the 2018. So the art of storytelling was only being used by influencers, bloggers and websites. But nowadays the storytelling is also being used by brands marketers to bring social change into society and the individual life. So, according to a study, when a brand or a company supports a social or environmental cause, according to that, 90 to 95% of consumers will have a positive image about the company. So, we all can hope to see more storytelling, more personal engagement, and content creation in the upcoming era.
Coming on to ninth, wearable technology.
A category of electronic devices that can be worn as accessories, embedded in clothing, or could be implanted in the user's body. The future of wearable technology is here. Despite of all the hazards, it is here to stay. Smartwatches tend to have small screens, and which is why we will finally be able to complete small tasks using these tiny objects. Voice searches by users would be more specific and precise during this regime. For now, it is unpredictable about when and how this technology is going to be used, but we can see that this wearable technology will be mainstream soon and it is going to face a lot of competition in the market. This wearable technology can actually offer a lot than what people actually think.
The eighth one, market innovation.
Market innovation, the next generation of users, is going to change everything about social media in every way possible. This is going to be big about the future of social media and global connectivity. Facebook predicts that by the year 2020, more people are going to have mobile phones than running water or electricity. Many brands, entrepreneurs, and marketers across the globe are getting online, going past the old ways to reach their target audience. Instagram has been very instrumental to provide brands in an adequate environment. We'll see digital communication in more efficient ways. After the launching of IGTV on Instagram, it has opened the doors for vloggers, influencers, and content creators to connect their audience in more efficient manners.
7th, the social media videos.
In the near future are going to be the major instrument drivers. It is evident anybody with a social media connectivity sense can observe the major growth and potential of videos. In the chaotic world of social media, as more and more users are going online by every passing year, more development in this area is expected. Live video messages, live streaming on social media, vlogs and blogs, and snippets from daily lives are going to be the future. Blogging has actually been mainstream from a long time on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. To be in the real game of social media, every entrepreneur, marketer, and brand will need to adopt this promising strategy in the upcoming years. All they'll have to do is be confident to stand in front of a camera and have the art of storytelling.
Number 6, Facebook down.
Down the past years really haven't been the dearest fare. Mark Zuckerberg, with all of the data breaches and zero innovations, it has really failed for us users. But don't get too upset with this. Facebook marketing has got all the opportunities for business holders. It is predicted that brands are going to take Facebook as a marketing tool rather than connecting people. The social media site has already been declared as old school by the new social media generation in many ways. That Instagram is more promising than Facebook in every aspect of the future.
5th, voice search gets boom. So, all of us in many ways have asked Siri, Google, and Alexa many awkward questions. With due respect, the voice search market grew to its peak by 187% in the second half of 2018, and it is expected that the market will grow in 2019 and will double in the year 2022. You are thinking that why is it so important for us social media users? So here's the thing. All the mainstream social media platforms already show up when you search something on search engines related to specific social media platform. For example, searching buy pizza online through your search, you can jump to where I can eat pizza nearby. Amazing and easy. Yes, it is. Amazing in the near future, we anticipate social media networks to start the trend of voice search into their branding strategy. Fourth one is YouTube influencers.
So, YouTube. Now, we all know about YouTube. YouTube is a piece of work for YouTube influencers. Yes, it has become a huge and top quality platform for content creators and social media influencers. Like, moments ago, you saw a sponsored video by an anonymous person with hundreds and thousands of subscribers. Congratulations, because that anonymous person is an influencer. Influencer marketing and branding is efficient, but vloggers on YouTube or the people who are reaching more audiences and getting the most of the sponsorships are the one. There are speculations in the air that marketers are going to invest heavily on these businesses. Now, here's a fact that average brands pay 2000 per 1 lakh subscribers on YouTube. So be ready. This is our future.
The third one, Instagram rocks.
Instagram rocks. By 2018, we all knew that Instagram is here to stay and will give a tough competition to the others in the social media market. A study shows that Instagram is the king of engagement with a billion active users. Instagram has covered the most screen time of today's generation. There are over billions of likes on Instagram every day, and each post is getting 23% of engagement that its competitor Facebook could never. Many Instagram trends blow the minds of users, and with the launch of IGTV and Reels, Instagram has now become an all in one entertainment hub for the teens. They have videos, Reels, that are TikToks, and photographs, fashion, comedy, everything you need. So expect nothing less but the best from the Instagram.
Coming down to number 2, Generation Z.
Talking about Generation Z. Generation Z belongs to all of those people who are born around the mid 90s. This generation, as we can see, is very swiftly entering into the consumer space. Somehow, we have all born and grown up during the development phase of the digital technologies. And not to forget, many of us are using these digital mediums to kill the time, while many of us are using them to actually connect to our social circles. So, apparently, it is going to be difficult for the advertisers and marketers to reach out to the proper audience in a meaningful and entertaining way. Our audience is diverse. People do need changes every day. They want something charismatic happening all over the social media at every single moment.
Number 1, social shopping. Social shopping platforms are being used for sales by advertisers and companies. Nearly 25% of the sales are happening through Facebook, and 40% of the products are generating the business through the rest of the social media platforms. It is evident that people on the social platforms are influenced and they are going to buy. So, the studies show that 30% of consumers are fully connected with Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter to purchase their items. It shows that more than a satisfying number of consumers are enjoying the experience of social shopping. So, social media will always be changing your life. It will get a shift from simply posting your pictures on Instagram and Facebook to disseminating the content in more meaningful outcomes. Otherwise, you are going to get out of this game. Please don't ever complain about it. Get yourself ready and enjoy the ride. content creators to connect their audience in a more efficient manner.
Category of electronic devices that can be worn as accessories, embedded in clothing, or could be implanted in the user's body. The future of wearable technology is here. Despite of all the hazards, it is here to stay. Smartwatches tend to have small screens, and which is why we will finally be able to complete small tasks using these tiny objects. Voice searches by users would be more specific and precise during this regime. For now, it is unpredictable about when and how this technology is going to be used, but we can see that this wearable technology will be mainstream soon and it is going to face a lot of competition in the market. This wearable technology can actually offer a lot than what people actually think.
Coming on to ninth, wearable technology.